Good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Yesterday, what did we learn? NPR. NPR is equal to formula NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Next, factorial notation. N factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 into and so on 3 into 2 last up to 1. Okay, product of first n natural numbers. So and find the arrangement of n distinct elements taken or at a time without repetition, NPR, taken or at a time with repetition, n power r. Okay, so next one is permutations when all the objects are not distinct objects, So in the n power r NPR formula, to arrangements, the permutations of define elements, okay, define elements or distinct object, define elements in the distinct objects, different, not same. Elements are different means this is the taken or at a time without repetition NPR, taken or at a time with repetition n power r. So this is permutations when all the objects are not distinct objects. Means for example the given digits are 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. This is the meaning, this type, like this type. So given objects are not distinct. So in the NPR n power r must be the given objectives are different. Any number, not in sequence. Any number, how many numbers also? So distinct numbers are distinct objects. This is the NPR n power r. So this is next concept is permutations when all the objects are not distinct. The given objects also not distinct. In the NPR n power r, given objectives are must be distinct. Distinct means different, not same. Okay, this is the next concept. So one of the formula, for example, note is nothing but one formula. What is the formula? The number of permutations of n objects where p objects are of the same kind or of the same kind. Same kind means kind is not there. Okay, kind means one. Okay, not kind. and rest are all different. What is the formula? Equal to n factorial. So n objects. So total objects by n factorial by. So p objects are of the same kind. P objects are same. 2, 2, 2. 2 twos, one object. Okay, 2 twos means p objects and two objects are same kind. So p objects are same kind means p factorial. P objects are same kind means an example. Okay, one given on example, it clear to understand. So find the number of permutation. Find the number of permutation. Find the number of permutations of the letter of the word letter of the word ma. Okay, find the number of permutations. Find the number of permutations of the letter of the word ma. E ma word, in the ma word, the 3 letters, using 3 letters, the how many permutations are all letters are used. All letters are will use how many permutation. How many permutations means here solution. Here n is equal to, how many letters are there in totally? How many letters are there? N is equal to 3. N is equal to 3. So in the letter of the word, in the word 3 letters are there. In the word ma. In the word ma have 3 letters. 3 letters. That is n is equal to 3. In the word, A's are 2 times. A's are 2 times means this is called P. Same kind of letters. A is 2 times. So A's, 2 A's. A's are 2 times. So therefore the number of permutations, are formula n factorial by p factorial. N factorial means total letters in the word, 3 factorial by p factorial means what? Repeated letters or repeated digits. So A how many times are repeated? 2 times. 2 factorial. So m one time means 1 factorial. 1 factorial is nothing but 1. So 3 factorial by 2 factorial. More than 2 times. Okay, 1 time means 1 factorial is equal to 1. There is no problem. More than 1 time, 2 factorial is not a 1. 2 factorial is equal to 2. So 3 factorial by 2 factorial. This is the meaning of the note. The number of permutations of n objects where p objects are of the same kind. The rest are all different. So rest means remaining. The remaining letters or remaining objects are all different. Different means any letter single time. Different means different means each one has single time. Single time means 1 factorial is equal to 1. So this one ma is rest element, rest letter. Rest letter different means 1 factorial. This is the meaning of next one. Note number 2. Is clear? So first of all, total number of letters factorial by repeated letters. How many times? A 2 times, 2 factorial. For example, A 3 times, 3 factorial. Okay, this is like terms. Okay, permutations when all the objects are not distinct objects, not distinct objects. Next to note number 2, very very important. This is note number 2. This is only one time. Each element only single element repeated number of times. So next one is so many letters repeated number of times. So many letters, more than one letters. So the number of permutations of n objects, the number of permutations, the number of permutations of n objects, number of permutations of n objects where p1 objects are, where not only single letter, so many letters, number of letters, where p1 objects, are of one kind, comma p2 objects are of second kind, one kind, second kind, are of second kind, okay, second kind, and so on. pk objects are kth kind, not only single, a next to b are number of, okay, are kth kind, and the rest, kth kind and the rest elements. Rest elements means what? Remaining elements, so different elements means single time. If any are of different kinds. Formula: total how many objects? N objects, so n factorial by p1 objects, how many times? P1 times, okay, so p1 factorial into p2 factorial and so on, pk factorial and pk factorial. One example: example 9. Find the number of permutations of the letters. Find number of permutations of the letters of the word, letters of the word Allahabad, ALLA, Allahabad, ALLAHABAD, Allahabad. Find number of permutations of letter of the word. Number of permutation. Find number of permutation of the letters of the word Allahabad. First, what is n? Total number of words. In Allahabad, here solution. Here there are 9 objects. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 objects. So n is equal to 9. N objects means n is equal to 9. How many is Allahabad? 1 2 3 4. 4 is and L, 2 L's, 1 2 3 4, L, 2 L's. Next HBD, Okay, 1H, 1B, 1D. These are rest elements, single different elements. So 4 A's and 2 L's. So therefore the number of permutations, so the number of permutations totally 9 letters, 9 objectives by 9 factorial. 4 A's, 4 A's means 4 factorial. A's how many? 4 factorial. L's how many? 2 factorial. And 1H 1 factorial, 1B 1 factorial, 1D 1 factorial. 1 factorial is equal to what? 1. So it need not be important. So 9 factorial by 2 factorial is equal to, what is the answer? 9 factorial by 2 factorial, we have to calculate 9 factorial is equal to 9 into 5 in 9 into 8 into 7. This is 7560. 7560. This is the note number 2. Okay, clear? Next. Next to exercise 7.3. Give an example, formula, one model, an example. Okay, this is an important one. So this is no problem. These both are same. This is only single time. This is 2 times. Else also yes, 2 letters are repeated. Here only single letter can be repeated. Both are same. This is the important one. So exercise 7.3. Exercise 7.3. The first one. How many 3-digit number can be formed by using the digits? Using 1 to 9. Given digits. 1 to 9. 1 to 9 is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the 9 digits are different digits. Okay, so 3-digit number. 3-digit number means 3 boxes. Okay, so if no digit is repeated, no digit repetition not allowed. No digit repeated. So repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed means the first place filled by how many ways? 9 ways. 1 you can arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in 9 digits. Anyone we can select, okay, arrange. So repetition is not allowed means already one digit is fixed. Remaining how many digits? 8 digits. So next one 7. So what is the total probability? Okay, so the total number of 3-digit number is 9 into 8 into 7. 9 8 72. 72 into 7 14. So 504. This is the without using NPR and N power R. So without repetition formula NPR. So N objectives are there. Here how many objects are given? 9 digits are there. So which digit number? 3-digit number. 3-digit number is nothing but R is equal to 3. 3 digits are at a time 3 digits. So formula NPR. Repetition not allowed means formula. Repetition not allowed means formula NPR. So N is equal to how many? 9. P. R is equal to 3. 9P3. This is the answer. ORR. This is using the formula. This is the first method is without using the formula. this is ORR using the formula. So here n is equal to 9, r is equal to 3. So the given total numbers 9. So 3 digit number r is equal to c. So total number of 3 digit numbers, total number of 3 digit number is NPR. NPR is equal to 9P3. 9P3. Okay. 9P3 formula. 9P3 is equal to 9 factorial by 9 minus 3 factorial. So 9 factorial, 9 into 7 into 6 factorial, 9 into 8 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial by 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 factorial. 6 cancel. So finally 9 into 8 into 7, 9 into 8 into 7 is equal to 504. So in the exercise 7.3, what is the difference in exercise, first exercise and third exercise? What is the difference? In first exercise there is no formula. In third exercise formula is there. What is the formula? No digit repeated means repetition is not allowed. N digits or n objects are taken in the given objectives are n. So take n r objectives at a time. So r is 3, NPR without repetition. With repetition n power r. Okay, clear? This is the first problem. Next second problem is how many 4 digit numbers that are there with no digit repeated? How many 4 digit number? How many 4 in the given digits not given? So any number, any single digit number, double digit number, triple digit number, any number can be formed into using the how many digits? 10 digits, 0 to 9. So ನೀವು ఏ ನಂಬರು ಬರೀಬೇಕಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿగా 0 to 9 అనేది ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In 0 to 9 how many? 10 numbers. In 10 number you can form any number, any digit number by using only 10 digits, by using only 10 digits. So 4 digit number means how many? 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 digit number. So will no digit repeated, so repetition is not allowed. No digit repeated. Okay, no digit repeated means repetition not allowed. Repetition at first place with totally how many numbers? 10 numbers. 0 to 9 how many numbers? 10 numbers. The first place filled by how many digits? Only 9 digits, because in the first, for example 0 to is which digit number? Single digit number only, not say double digit number. This is 0 to is single digit number. So for 4 digit number means the first place will not filled by 0, because the first place filled by 0, the digit is third digit number, not 4 digit number. So that's why the first place filled by only 9 numbers. Okay, in one the digit is not repeated, repetition is not allowed means in first place filled by only 9 numbers without 0. First place 0 arrange ಮಾಡಬಾರದು, because first place 0 means this is the 3 digit number, not 4 digit number. So the first place is filled by 9 digits. First place filled by 9 ways. What are they? 1 to 9, any number you can choose. So next place is also 9 numbers. In first 9 is without 0, next 9 is with 0. With 0 how many numbers? 10 numbers. Already one digit here is arranged, so remaining 9. So 8, this is 7. First place, only first place is not filled by 0. Second place, third place, fourth place, any place we can filled by 0, no problem. So first place not filled by 0 because of The first place 0 means that is not a 4-digit number, this is only 3-digit number. So the total number of 4-digit numbers, the total number of 4-digit number is 9 into 9 into 8 into 7. 9 into 8 into 7 is equal to 9 into 504. 9 into 5 is 36, 45, 4536 4-digit numbers are available. Okay, clear? This is the 0. 0 is very dangerous. So 0 is given. This is careful to arrange. Clear? So next one. Third problem is, how many 3-digit even number can made by using the digits 1 to 7? Given digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Given digits are how many? 7. So 3-digit even number, 3-digit even number, 3-digit which number? Not any number, even number only, 3-digit even number. No digit is repeated. Repetition not allowed. Repetition not allowed. So repetition is not allowed means formula. Okay, repetition is not allowed. 3-digit even number. 3-digit even number means that even number has in unit places filled by only even numbers, 0 and even numbers. So the unit place filled by 2, 4, 6. The unit place filled by only in the given, according to the given digits. According to the given digit, the unit place filled by only 3 ways. What are they? 2, 4, 6. The unit place 0 or any even number, 0 to, for example, 245. The 245 is an even number, not an even number, because in the unit place is an odd number. Unit place odd number is there, so this is not an even number. Even place must be even number. Even number means not correct. Even number is not correct. 0. The unit places must be filled by 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. This one, these letters. So according to the given digits, which one are even numbers? 2, 4, 6. So the unit place filled by only 3 numbers, 2, 4, 6. So that is how many ways? Is 3 ways. The unit place only filled by 2, 4, 6 because even number. We want to use even number. So 3 ways. So next place filled by, so how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means how many digits are given? 7 digits. In the unit places must be filled by only 3 numbers, 2, 4, 6. So the tens place filled by any number, the 6 ways, because already one number is fixed in the unit place. Already one number is fixed in the unit places, the remaining 6, the remaining 5, because repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed means this is in 2, 4, 6 any one number is fixed in the unit places. The remaining how many numbers are there? 6 numbers. The already first place, second place fixed by the any 2 numbers. The remaining third 100th place filled by remaining 5 numbers only. Repetition not allowed. So the tens place filled by filled by remaining 6 digits, remaining 6 digits is equal to 6 ways. So the hundreds place filled by remaining. So here one already, this is 2, remaining 5 digits. So that is equal to 5 ways. So the total number of 3-digit even numbers, 3 digits even numbers are how many? 5 into 6 into 3, that is equal to 90. 5 into 6 into 3, 5 into 6 is equal to 30, 30 into 3 is equal to 90. Okay, clear? This is one. So tomorrow I will continue the next problem. So this is the today class. Clear?